everybody, welcome back to my channel. So you guys would have already watched the baby shower video and the hospital backpacking video. So now this is the most important video, that is which was shot at the time the baby was born, or you can also call it as a video where the gender of the baby is revealed. So let's watch what happened on that day and how we were feeling once the baby was born.
So we are at the hospital. Actually, yesterday we just finished packing the bag. You saw that in the previous vlog, right? So today when we went for checkup, they said you have to get admitted today as soon as possible. So we just rushed to the hospital and she's gone inside for the checkup. Entered the room. Ready? Boy baby or girl baby?
Boy.
Okay, let's ask mummy. Mummy, boy baby or girl baby? Baby boy or baby girl? Baby boy or baby girl? Apple. Baby boy or baby girl? Baby boy. Okay, bye.
Okay. Papa illa?
Bangalore. So at 8 o'clock the surgery would start, and now let me think of it's a baby boy. So even for me it was like it's we are sitting outside from almost half an hour, and this feeling when you sit outside cannot be expressed. It's a kind of mixed feelings. Anxiety, you'll be scared, at the same time you'll be happy as well. Let's wait. So the doctor just came and told us that they're going to start the surgery now, and the pediatrician is also here. And we are waiting for my dad. My dad is here. ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೂ ಅಕ್ಕನಿಗೆ മമ്മീൻ്റെ ഇതിലാക്ക്
ചോദിക്കുന്നത് ഏത് കുട്ടി വേണം, ഏത് കുട്ടി വേണോന്ന്, ഏത് കുട്ടി വേണോ? പെണ്ണ് എന്ത് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. പെണ്ണേലൊക്കെയാ?
ഏതാണെങ്കിലും ഓക്കെ.
ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു കുട്ടി പറയണ അത്ര, ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു കുട്ടിൻ്റെ പേര് പറയണത്. ബോയ ഗേൾ ബേബി
ಅಂತ
Mom is very happy that it's a baby boy.
എനിക്ക് എന്തൊരു സന്തോഷമാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആൺകുട്ടിയെ വേണ്ടി
പക്ഷെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇതാര് ഫോണില്
ഹലോ ആൻറ്റി
My mom started searching names for the baby as soon as I told her it's the letters which suits the nakshatra.
So we are like so happy. Finally, another baby boy in our family. So we are too many girls in our family. So we always, but I prefer girl babies itself. I love girl babies. I love the way they dress up. They're cute stuffs. So I love girl babies. But Rashmi is blessed with a baby boy, and we are actually happy. So I have never got a chance to pamper baby boys as such. So this would be one good experience for me. So let them shift to the ward, and then I will show you all. So I hope you all like this vlog. So this was an unexpected vlog because we weren't prepared. They just went to the clinic and they came back from the clinic and they told today itself we have to get admitted and do the surgery because the situation was not that good and we didn't want to risk it. So we thought okay, and the evening we just came to the hospital around 5:30 and we took the admission and yeah, so let's see.
Boy.
ബോയ് ബ്രദർ വന്ന് സുഖായിരിക്കുന്നു ആൺകുട്ടി
ഇപ്പൊ ഉറപ്പിച്ചോ ഏത് ബേബിയാണെന്ന്? ഞങ്ങൾ ഓർഡർ ചെയ്തത് ഗ്രേ കളർ, വന്നത് ബ്ലൂ കളർ. റൂയ്ക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ ഏത് വേണോ പറ. So I hope you love this vlog. If yes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.